engine is going to do a gimbal check. We want to make sure it's got free range of motion. It's important as we guide the rocket up, but of course down to land softly on our landing pad. All right, once we get under 1 minute, with every tick of the clock going down, my heart races even faster. Nothing like a rocket launch to do that to you. All right, it's time to hand it over to Mission Control and listen in on the final countdown. It is go time, New Shepard.
Guidance to internal. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Command engine start. 2, 1.
Listen to that engine rumble. Mission Control has confirmed New Shepard has cleared the tower on its way to space from the West Texas desert. All right, our first milestone here, as you can see on the left side of your screen, we're going to hit max Q. That's the point where aerodynamic stresses on the vehicle are at its maximum. Max Q confirmed. You can also follow along on the top right of your screen. Watch New Shepard as she gains speed towards our maximum apogee altitude of 350,000 feet today. Thank you again for joining us live for the 8th mission in this New Shepard test program. Launch is looking nominal from here. Look at that clean burn on the BE-3 engine. Our next milestone is going to be main engine cutoff. We're going to cut off that BE-3 engine. All right, MECO confirmed, main engine cut off confirmed. If you're an astronaut in our capsule, at this point in this one, you're going to start to feel that weightlessness. Next up, we're going to separate the crew capsule from the booster. Separation is complete. There goes the booster. Again, you're watching live from West Texas, our 8th mission in this New Shepard test program. We've confirmed separation. Just a moment here, you're going to be able to see confirmed two distinct craft. An astronaut in our capsule. At this point in this one, you're going to start to feel that weightlessness. Next up, we're going to separate the crew capsule from the booster. Separation is complete. There goes the booster. So we're just waiting for apogee here. You're going to see we're going to hit apogee because that's when, in fact, the speed goes to 0. And then, of course, it's going to start to speed up. Again, you're watching craft come back from down West Texas. There you see the two craft, the New Shepard test program, booster on the left. Separation. Just a moment here, you're going to be able to see confirmed two mannequin skyrocker up there getting some beautiful views. At this point, you're going to start to feel that weightlessness. We're not going to let him out of his seat today. The crew capsule program, the booster. But you know you're going to be able to see the two distinct craft. Astronaut in our capsule. At this point in this one, you're going to start second is flight complete. There goes the booster. So we're just waiting for apogee here. You're going to see we're going to hit apogee because that's when now we're waiting. Speed goes to zero. Apogee call, and then of course it's going to 347,000 feet back down to land. There you. A beautiful ride so far for the capsule and the booster. Everything is looking nominal. $347,000 feet, just about 20,000 feet over the Kármán line, or 100 kilometers. The internationally recognized line of space. All right, now the capsule and the booster are racing back home. The capsule is going to land just a bit after the booster. The booster, of course, is more aerodynamically shaped. The booster shortly here is going to hit atmospheric pierce point. So that means that's when the control surfaces are actually going to have some air pressure to be able to work against to guide the rocket back to its landing pad. So I'm hearing from the control room that we might have actually hit our goal of 350,000 feet, but we will confirm that after the launch. Either way, a beautiful launch so far for the team. All right, those wedge fins at the front, on the forward section of the rocket have deployed. Those again are helping the rocket in its stabilization as it comes back into land. Shortly here, we're going to have the drag brakes deploy, and you can follow along on the right side of your screen and watch how it dramatically cuts the speed of the rocket as it comes into land. There go the drag brakes. Watch that speed come down on the right. Boom, we heard the sonic boom down here in Texas. Engine relay confirmed. Touchdown! Welcome home, New Shepard. Beautiful landing. All right. It's not over, though. All eyes are on the capsule. Look at that gorgeous window there. All right, so we're first waiting for the drogue chutes to come out. Those are kind of like the guiding parachutes. They are followed shortly by the mains. And after full inflation, the capsule will come in at a nice, steady 15 or 20 miles an hour for a smooth descent. There go the three drogues. And there go the mains. And nice, clean inflation. And look how the speed comes down just at about 16 miles an hour. I can can only imagine the view. The
And after full inflation, the capsule will come in at a nice, steady 15 or 20 miles an hour
into the valley here in West Texas. So just as a reminder, in the last milliseconds, we're going to have the retro thrust system fire. It's going to kick up the dust, but really the capsule comes in at just about 1 or 2 miles an hour. So it's a nice, smooth landing. All right, we're at about 1,000 feet above ground level. $500 feet. $15 or 20 miles an hour. And touchdown. Beautiful soft landing for our crew capsule. What a beautiful mission down here in West Texas. Woo! Congratulations to the Blue Origin team. Another spectacular test mission. It looks nominal from here. There is the rocket back on its landing pad and the crew capsule sitting nice and pretty in the West Texas desert. What a day. All right, so now our recovery team is preparing landing safety operations and recovery. You know, if you're an astronaut on board the capsule, you get to hang out with your friends for a couple of minutes, high five, and just enjoy a few minutes of reflection from your life-changing ride up to space while our team comes to pick you up. The adrenaline would be pumping. I know it is still for me down here, just having watched that. Wow. All right. Another great mission for our New Shepard team. Again, this was the 8th mission to space in our New Shepard test program. What a day. All right. We're going to have some statistics from the mission here for you. Max altitude of the capsule, 347,000 feet, although we're going to confirm after the webcast here with our team.
Steady 15 or 20 miles an hour.
Descent velocity, 2,200 miles per hour. Mission launch time, 12:06 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And the mission elapsed time, 10 minutes and 19 seconds. All right. On behalf of the hardworking Blue Origin team at Blue Origin, thank you so much for joining us. It's been quite a day for us. If you're interested in learning more about the New Shepard program and everything that we're up to at Blue, please go to our website, sign up for our email updates. And until our next exciting launch, Gradatum Ferociter.